There is a food festival going on right now in Mangalore, and I didn't know about this. I just came to know. I'm going back to Bangalore today, and all of a sudden my friends call me up and like, hey, let's go to this food festival. So we're trying this out. So I've where are my friends? Oh, they're there. So I'm with Punit, Rahul, and Rahul's cousin Veze. Alright, so we are here to explore, so let's see what we have to eat. Look at the crowd, dude. This is supposed to be a main highway, and that is a lot of people. That's Nigel for a veg. Yan veg. ನಿಖಿಲ್ ಚಾಟ್ಸ್ ಬೋಕ ಚಾಟ್ಸ್ ಬೋಕ ಒಂದು ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮಾ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಯಾವುದು ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಅಲ್ಪಲ್ಲ ಮಸ್ತ್ ఉంది ಆಮೆಟ್ಲ ಮಸ್ತ್ ఉంది Some sort of a flash mob going on here. So we're about to try that Bonda ice cream. Should be nice. Okay, now the problem is every single place is so crowded. We're not even able to get through in any of the Alright, so this place actually goes all the way from Lady Hill. This is Lady Hill. All the way till Mannagudda, and also from Lady Hill to Lalbagh. So there are two roads that goes into this. Excuse me. Alright, so as I mentioned, this is the petrol pump at Lady Hill from there. And you have this road which is kind of full as well, and also the other road which goes to Mannagudda. So unfortunately I dropped my phone and the screen guard's kind of cracked, so I'm a little disappointed with that. So this place just goes on and on and on and on and on all the way till it goes all the way till there near till Papas. And bhai, what's up? It doesn't go all the way till Papas, so it stops here. On this road it starts from the Suzuki stall. Alright, so going very close. BC. Oh, holding it there, Bulutula. Kali holding it.
Today we're traveling Dhanush, who's trying to set up a good girl.
Line to la. Cute la. Yeah. Okay, we want to try this one. That's a good job. Adebai. That's an interesting name. Tongue twister. Shawarma. I wonder if this is Mannagudda shawarma. No, it's not Mannagudda shawarma. Mannagudda shawarma is the best in Mangalore, hands down. Toto Chat Center. Chat. Gujudavulu undu. Vichada gujuda. Akya. Avu alpettanada. Hagatu indama.
Oh, onjata. Dokla ಬರುತ್ತಿದೆ.
Dokla. Oh, it's been a while since I had dokla. I cannot see no doklas. MG43. Oh, 43 stalls. 200 stalls unte helidi. Oh, illinda start adada. Think dokla? Oda, dokla or something else. Four plates. Excuse me. Do you have all of these? You have all? No, nothing. Oh no. No problem. Sad. So most of the places have already run out of food because I don't think so. They estimated the amount of people that were gonna come today. So one thing that we wanted to have, but it ran out. We are late. We gotta come early. Mocktail ava? Chocolate ತೆತಂಗನ? ಇಲ್ಲೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗೋವರೆಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಖಾಲಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಅಷ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಟೈಲಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Unfortunately, when this is gone. Yo, Rajat Mom in the house. What's up?
I like the part. I mean, juice for.
Enjoy. Cheers. Enjoy. Suvarna. Kiwi. ನೀನೆಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು ಕಿವಿಯ? ನಂದು ಸಹ ಕಿವಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳು ಎರಡು. So he is the fun master of our group, this fellow, Mr. Rajat Rao.
Say hello to Mr. Rajat.
Mr. RX. Oh yeah. RX bros. Oh, RX. Oh shit. Even he has an RX 100. Oh shit. Welcome to the gang. Yeah, new boy. So that is my drink being poured. Sir, thank you. Take. No, Nina cousin only. Cheers, ma'am. Cheers. Oh, that's strong. But it's good though. Fortunately, I have to head out because I've got a bus going back to Bangalore.
Very unfortunate
timing. So there's so many people out there. I was able to have only one of these. And so even those people, they just had drinks. They all probably might come tomorrow, but I won't be able to. So cheers everybody. This juice is amazing. It's called juice Kiwi Sharbat. Kiwi Palace. So this is called Kiwi Palace, but it has a pineapple twist to it. Guys, see you. I'll see you later. I'll see you at your wedding. Bye. So I'm late now. I'm gonna swoosh.